These are two drafting tools from the early 20th century, probably about 1905 or 1910. And I wanted to show how they work because they're so very, very satisfying to use. I'm going to move this one aside for now, and we're going to start with this. This is called a ruling pen. That is, it is a pen for making ruler straight lines. And you can see that at the nib, as I loosen this thumb screw, the nib moves apart or closer together. So the way that we use this to draw is we charge it with an eyedropper. And you just want to put a little bit of ink, just a single drop of ink. Too much, and it will make blobby stains on your drawing. And I have this almost as tightly as it will come together. And you'll see that it makes, a beautiful straight line. Just a lovely straight line. Now watch what happens as I loosen that thumb screw. The same pen can give me multiple thicknesses of line. Now I'm starting to run out of ink. So again, I'm going to put a single drop in there. And this pen will actually get pretty wide. And this is about as wide as I've been able to get it to go. Right about here. And one of the things I really like about a ruling pen is it gives me this really square end on the line, which you don't get from a rapidograph or a micron because they've got a round tip. But the ruling pen will give you a really square end. Now this is a compass that has the same mechanism, and we use it exactly the same way. I'll move the ruler out of the way. And if I put this really close together, I can get a very fine line. And then as I move it apart, I can get successively thicker lines. It's a very satisfying process. And again, with this one, I haven't been able to get much thicker than about this. But you can see that is a pretty thick line. So the ruling pen and the pen compass are a wonderful connection to the folks who made technical drawings long before I was born, and the tools still work very, very well even today.